Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Thar for service as well as oil cooler replacement. You can just have a look at the oil cooler. This is a brand new oil cooler where there was an issue with the oil as well as radiator was getting mixed. That's the coolant was getting mixed with the oil, and right now you can just check complete brand new pipes are going to be installed and complete fittings have been removed here, and everything is getting cleaned at the moment, and also radiator is given for the service because it has mixed with the oil, engine oil in this. You can just check complete service is going on this Thar CRD engine, and also we have a Punjab kind of Willys Jeep also for service at the moment. It's right now this vehicle is come for a brake jam as well as bearing issues in this. The complete hub is going to be removed and checked. The axle issue was there on this vehicle, so right now we are removing it and we are checking. You can just have a look at the axle is going to be removed, and the bearing also is going to be removed, and everything is going to be replaced. And you can just check, this is the body which we have installed on the old Jeep 540, and still a little bit fitting is pending on this vehicle at the moment. Once the vehicle is completely done, we will be washing it and doing the service check and delivering to the customer. This is a brand new body which has been painted and fitted on this vehicle at the moment 540, and complete engine oil service, brake service, coolant, radiator service, everything has been upgraded. You can just check couple of Jeeps which have come for an upgrades with us. For any kinds of servicing regarding Jeep, Gypsies, Boleros, Thars and Isuzus, Gurkhas, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. For any kinds of queries, please like and subscribe our channel. We would surely update you for any kinds of sales and service also, so please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.